Hello, my name is Terrell Wall. I'm a student here at the Welding CTE program for Plainview High School. This is my third year in the program. I'm a senior, and some stuff that I've learned over the course of my entirety in the welding program is basically everything that I know. I came into the program knowing nothing about welding, and now here I am 3 years later with multiple certifications. I know a little bit about every kind of process in welding. I've messed with plasma, I do torch cutting, and I participate in competitions here at Plainview High School, and I've learned everything that I know about welding within these 3 years. And here day to day is really it's about a 90 to 10% split, 90 hands-on, 10% in the classroom. You learn your fundamentals and your basics at the beginning of the class, but after that you move straight on into the shop to where you're hands-on welding, learning all different kinds of processes and learning the basics of what you need. And my favorite aspect of the class is that the instructor, he's very hands-on. Whenever you need something, he's always there. He's always able to help you. There's no question that he hasn't been able to answer for me. And everything's hands-on. If you're not a classroom type of person, this is the perfect class for you because you are mostly hands-on. It's about a 90% to a 10% split.